songbird sings. Heartleam, I see you. My life's fully apart. Sensor on my chest has become an agonics. You and this bird don't care anymore. The wind blows. I join the gods and I love you. She responds. I don't know what that means anymore. And I say, well, don't do me any favours, and the bird sings. What I can do with that? I look to you, a shattered mirror puzzled into pieces. Time to stretch your into the breeze gone, but I feel forever I say so united. And I hate our effects don't actually fade into the distance. But at least our song comes back on the breeze. The wind blows, I join the gospel saying I love you. The bird responds, I don't know what that means anymore. And I say, I'll take the joy in the pain. And she sings, there isn't anything I can't do with. 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 There is a songbird who sings heartgone, I see you. I know my life is falling apart. The center of my chest has become an agonics. And you and this bird don't care anymore. And as the wind blows, I join the gusts in saying I love you, and she responds, I don't know what that means anymore. That's I take the joy and the pain, and bird sings. What I have to do with that? 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 And as the wind blows, I join the gusts in saying I love you. And they respond, I don't know what that means anymore. I said I'll take the joy and the pain. And I sing, there isn't anything that I can't do with that.